What are monetization requirements for Snapchat? See, here's what I've seen online, and as you can see, your first things first have to have 50,000 followers and one of the following here. Now, in last 28 days, you must have at least 10 million snap views, or you must have 1 million spotlight views, or 12,000 hours of view time. Now, this all might seem crazy, but you just need one of these things and you don't need all of them, but it will be nice. Now, second thing you have to do is consistently uploading. So you have to post at least 25 times per month, and you have to at least post either spotlight or public stories for at least 10 times in the last 28 days. So yeah, it's pretty rough. I mean, they're asking for a lot. Obviously, you have to also comply. You must be at least 18 years old, and also obviously also you need to comply with their community guidelines, and you have to be in one of the eligible countries. Now, you can look these countries yourself, but these are the roughly requirements that need to be followed.